Today we're gonna go fishing, so let's get to it.
Turtle right here. He dug himself up right there. He's a pretty cool dude. I've just caught into a red eye, as we call him down here, and that's a pretty nice fish for the first of the day. It's just kicking off here now, and we're just fishing here on this little creek, and we're just catching some fish. So let's go. Caught up on the first fish. That's a pretty decent sized red eye, and let's just keep on fishing, and let's get a release on this. Pretty good. So let's get a release. This girl. There she goes. So that's how you do it. Let's catch another one. Okay, guys. I got a caught right here. Sorry. So we can get her. Crap, she just went down in the water. Dang. I'm gonna have to use some more crawdads. We're here fishing. Get some more. Let's get that under the ledge real fast. Dude, oh my god. When you can see the freaking fish popping up out of the bank. Right there. I can tell we're gonna get a catch on this one. Got a bug on me. Ah, oh, dang! Had my bait and took it away. I tell you, it's a big fish in there, guys. Whew. He's blowing bubbles. It's a choke, I'm pretty sure. And that's a hog right there. That's a toad. That's pretty big. It's a fish, you know. It's a pretty big fish. Let's just put her. How do you take them off? Like, I mean, the same way you take her head off. Are they sharp or anyway?
No, they're gooey.
Gooey, nasty, slimy.
Nasty. Take it.
Okay.
Turn your phone off.
Release. There you go, buddy. Swim. Oh, he left. Angled on another fish. Pretty good size. Little choke fish, so let's get a release. Get this boy back in the water. Ooh, kind of bloody, but he can go. There we go.
Pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to leave it a like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget, fish on.